Niguel Lake with my name is Lusk and this is Todd. You can see Todd's permit's got 3 fish on it, and I got 3. We'll come over here to Bob, which is a local here at Laguna Niguel. Bob, do you have anything to say to the 10 million people that are going to video and watch our movies?
More fish.
More fish. And then we have trout on the stringers. Bob's too. And we have trout over here. What's the guy's name over there? And then we have Ken with his sacred dog. Ken, say hello. There's Ken and that savage beast dog of his. Unbelievable. And then we have Ken's fish over here. Seems to be doing a little bit better than everybody else. He's got a pretty nice one in there. Nice fish. All of them nice fish. Incredible. Bob, do you have anything else important to tell anybody?
No.
What about you, Otta? Sneak it around.
What about this?
All right. Double split. 12-inch leader with garlic power bait.
That's what makes it happen.
Didn't even hear about it. Bob? Okay. Bob knows about it too. We'll be back with some live action. Bob, hold up that massive fish. There we go. He's a flopper. And then we get a bloodbath going over here. Todd just got that big trout right there. So, what do you think about it, Todd? I got one more and we're done. We'll be back.